Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have Flipkart Black and a Google account. Start inside the Flipkart app now. Once in offers, locate the YouTube Premium promotion tied to your Black tier. Make sure your Flipkart account email matches the Google account you plan to use. This avoids redemption conflicts. Tap the YouTube Premium offer and read the terms, note duration, family limits, and any region restrictions. If an on-screen voucher or code appears, copy it. Otherwise, select Redeem to generate the link you'll use next. Once you have the voucher or direct redemption link, open YouTube or Play Google.com and sign into the Google account noted earlier. Paste the voucher code or follow the Flipkart redirect. Make sure the promo applies before approving any charge. If asked, choose individual or family based on the offer and verify billing information is up to date. Flipkart may cover cost up to the promotional period. Confirm subscription start date. You should see YouTube Premium Access activate immediately. Finish by confirming premium features on your signed-in device. Ad-free playback, downloads, and background play. If activation fails, first double-check the Flipkart account email matches the Google account and that the offer is still valid. Then retry the redemption link. If problems persist, gather the Flipkart order ID or voucher screenshot and contact Flipkart Black support. Alternatively, contact Google support with the subscription attempt details. That single troubleshooting step, confirm email match and offer validity, resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.